Some things are best used only once, and others are worth professionally recycling and reusing. The only proviso is that they are processed professionally and all sensitive data is irretrievably deleted. Welcome to Bechtle Remarketing, your partner for IT lifecycle management. We stand for data security and sustainability, with a firm focus on our customers, delivering services to the highest quality standards. Bechtle Remarketing offers high-quality recycled PC solutions. We carry out DGUV3 testing on our products on request. We inventory your stock and take on hardware removal, packing and inspection. Secure, fast and reliable. Leveraging certified processes in our deletion center, we ensure that all data are permanently removed. Certified data wiping according to today's highest standards. At hundreds of workstations, devices are preloaded with customer-specific software and prepared for rollout. From simple operating system installation to personalized customer images, IT perfectly tailored to your needs. Hard drives that cannot be wiped are destroyed in-house according to E7 level security standards before being safely and verifiably recycled, and it's all caught on camera. We market tested hardware at attractive prices, protecting resources and freeing up budgets for new investments. Securely swap old for new in one fell swoop. In a customer portal, you can view all details regarding the individual stages of the process, including delivery status, and with quick search features, for example, according to serial and inventory numbers, manufacturer references, and model names. Keep an eye on all critical processes. Benefit from attractive conditions. Welcome to Bechtle Remarketing, your partner for IT lifecycle management.